So these country codes have really helped us in that case. And apart from NDRF majorly we used for these people. So we have identified and given these lists to mandal level people. And as and when the flood had come, he was completely covered. Yes, sir.
But we are not there, you are not mentioned.
In these crops, de-silting is not required.
But you want to propose that how many hectares you want to go for desiltation.
De-silting
It is also provision is there.
Yeah, it is 160 acres is there, sir.
But you have not mentioned anything here.
Actually, that is updated in this.
Okay, you want to update it. The company farmers also updated in the.
Yes, sir. 30 farmers are
So
there.
this you are.
The farmers in the district itself is small and marginal farmers, sir.
Valid 3305 is 3305 is nursery. Very nursery.
Security officer. The mandal